Namaste. This is how we say hi in India. Uh, this is Shanti. Uh, Actually, India is a cultural rich country. I'm from south part of India. India is a two parts, north part and south part. So we have 26 states in India. Every state speaks different languages. My state is Andhra Pradesh. I speak Telugu. Uh, we have 300 plus languages, but only 18 to 20 languages are authorized languages. So every Indian can speak more than two languages. So coming to cultural thing, so in India different cultures. North Indian culture is different, South Indian culture is different. Even dressing style, food, everything is different in India. So even though I am an Indian, I don't know some cultures in North India. So coming to in point of dances, we have lots of dances in India. Every state can having own dance. For example, India in Andhra Pradesh, my state, uh, we have Kuchipudi, classical, like different dances. For the another state contain Kathak, Kathakali, and Odissi, different types of dances. We have different types of dances, and each mudrika means each action means contains a meaning. So, for example, this uh, everything is contains a meaning. Every step or every action is contains a meaning. Some dances only face expressions, especially Kerala is the only face expression. Kathakali is the only face expression dances. We have lots of dances in India, especially country dances. These are the folk dances, different types of folk dances. We have different types of folk dances in India. So every dance contains the different costumes. Especially South India, we wear different gold ornaments in dancing, and different bindis and different ornaments in our hair and everything. So, so we are not preferred to makeup, but we are preferred to wear lots of gold. As commonly in India, every woman want to wear different types of or different kinds of gold ornaments. So it is a good wedding is a good place or good time to show our goal to others. So in wedding in India, wedding is different types of weddings. South Indian culture are different types of weddings. In North India are different kinds of weddings. Um, every wedding is a contains we call Mangala Sutram means we wear this gold chain with yellow thread, means we married, and we wear here the bindi because I'm a Christian. I don't like to wear bindi, but every Hindu woman wear bindi. And here, if he wear bindi here, so in India we are second biggest population country in the world. So after China, India is the second biggest population in the world. So in India, lots of social issues from past so many years. So no one changed the social circumstances, especially gender inequality means always male domination. In India, male domination is more compared to women. So women always dominated by male. Ilra. Villu, Davik, no. Davik, Villu. Go and play. Bye. Then second issue is dowry. Dowry system in India. If a woman want to marry any man, so most probably 99% are arranged marriages, no datings, no love marriages, mostly arranged marriage. My marriage is arranged marriage. So in India, there is a one custom. We, if we have uncle sons, we have proud to marry uncle sons. Uh, that is a custom in India. So, and also there is a big social issue is dowry. Dowry, if I want marry, if I woman marry anyone, so she have to pay some money to the man. Um, uh, it contains lakhs of rupees, maybe millions of rupees. Then third one is poverty, and fourth one is um, uh, domestic violence for women. So this is a major social issue in India. So every woman abused by their husbands or any man. So until now, no one changed the system. So yeah, and then last one is main thing is I forget. Social issue is caste. In India, lots of caste contain lots of caste system. So if a man do sandals, chappals, so he is a one caste. If a man is a cook, he is a one caste. If man prepare ornaments, he is a one caste. If man wash the clothes, he is a one type of caste. Like that, different types of castes are in India. So Brahmins are who are priests in the Hindu are the highest caste in India. So and we call Rajlu like kings. These are also one of the big caste in India. So casteism is always the big social issue in India. So even though we have lots of talent, even though we have lots of skills in India, if I belongs to some caste, they are not encouraged those people to improve. So casteism is the biggest social issue. Then and final thing is I'm so sorry to say these things, or I'm so feel bad to say these things. Um, in India, there is no protection for women. If it is midnight, 12 o'clock, it's for women as a woman so scared to walk in the streets. So that is the biggest social issue in India. So I hope these things are changed. Hopefully, my India maybe overcome these social issues by doing something. This is what the main major social issues in India.